my name is Bami and I'm a Munilicious to have my hair retied. I haven't done it in like about 11 weeks and I'm here for her to do her magic. So this is what it looks like right now. And stay tuned to see what it's going to look like when we're done. So I just had my retie. This is my first time having a retie done at Munilicious, and she actually helped me bring out a grid. I have never, I've been locked for a year plus now, and I've never had a parting ever, and she just did that. It's called grids, right? Yes, grids. I just had a grid, and I mean, you can, I'm sure you've already seen the previous video, so you can already tell the difference between my locks. They're so pretty, so you already know what to do. I don't need to say much. Yeah.